You won't believe the improvements Cash Crafters Bank has made in 2026. Most people think digital banks are all the same, but Cash Crafters combines competitive interest rates, fee-free accounts, and innovative digital tools that make managing money simpler than ever. Cash Crafters offers checking and high-yield savings accounts with no monthly fees. You can set multiple financial goals within the app, from emergency savings to travel funds, and the bank automatically allocates money toward each goal based on your spending and income. Small, regular contributions can grow surprisingly fast thanks to automation and compound interest. The app also provides real-time insights into spending and upcoming bills, helping you avoid overdraft and unnecessary fees. The dashboard is intuitive and easy to read, giving you a complete snapshot of your financial health in seconds. Security is strong. Cash Crafters uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time fraud monitoring. All deposits are FDIC insured, and support is available through chat, email, or phone. The limitation: Cash Crafters Bank focuses on personal banking and savings automation. If you want advanced investment options, you'll need a separate platform. So, for anyone seeking a modern, automated, and secure way to manage money, it's an excellent choice. So, is Cash Crafters Bank worth it in 2026? Absolutely. For intuitive, goal-focused banking that grows your money while keeping it safe, Cash Crafters delivers. Subscribe to stay updated on the best financial tools to manage and grow your wealth efficiently.